So first question is over. Now, the second question. Okay. Now, this is very interesting. Shreya, a girl named Shreya, learned at school that leaves have some small pores called stomata. We know that, right? On them. On her way back home, she collected a variety of leaves, but she was unable to see the pores. Which of these instruments will help Shreya see the pores? There are 4 options. Tell me which of the instruments will help?
Magnificent lens.
Yes?
Magnificent lens.
Magnifying lens. 4 options. First is the telescope. Second is the magnifying lens. Third is scale. Fourth is camera. So what will be the answer?
Magnifying
lens.
Magnifying lens. Very good. Now, in the third question, some food items are given below. Rice, meat, egg, and sugar. Which of these food items are rich in protein? It's an easy one. Tell me, rich in protein.
Egg.
First, egg and
Meat.
yeah, both of them are rich in protein, right? So, question number 4. Now, this is related to our term. In gourd plants, can you see the image? That is a bottle gourd, right? In gourd plants, some thread-like structures arise from the stem. We have done this. That helps the plant to climb. These structures are called, first option, leaf. First of all, tell me, what are those structures known as?
Prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots.
No. The structure that helps the climber to climb.
tendrils.
Tendrils, right. Those are the tendrils. Now the question arises, in case of bottle gourd, whether the tendril, so 4 options are given. A is leaf tendrils, B is thorns, C is spines, D is stem tendrils. Now, out of the 4 options, which 2 are incorrect? Tell me.
It's short.
Thorns and spines will be incorrect, right? Because you said that tendrils is the option. Now you tell me, in case of gourd plants, we have discussed this in class. If you have paid attention in the class, you'll be able to answer. Gourd plants, whether it is leaf tendril or stem tendril.
Can you repeat that, please?
Stem tendril.
Okay, Saisha has said stem tendrils. Okay, now I'm
not said.
repeat the.
Vanya has said.
Oh, Vanya has, sorry, Vanya has said. So in gourd plants, we all know, right? They are actually climbers. Now, climbers have a special structure known as tendrils. We know that.
Yeah.
Out of the tendrils, whether it is leaf tendril or stem tendrils. Vanya has said stem tendrils. Others, what do you think?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I also stem
Yes.
tendril.
That's the right option. Stem tendrils is the right option in case of gourd plants. Next question. When the inner part of an ovary of a flower were observed, now you have to imagine, you have to remember the flower, okay? Photograph of a flower. When the inner part of an ovary of a flower were observed with the help of lens, some small bead-like structures are observed inside the ovary. What are they?
Oval.
Ovule.
Ovule.
Ovule. Amazing, amazing. Then, short questions. Name the part of ginger that we used in cooking. Ginger. Name the part of the ginger plant that we used in cooking. Which part, girls? Yeah? You know it. You know it. You already know it. Say, which part of the ginger plant is used in cooking?
Do you have ginger in your house? Go and bring it. Tell Mama to bring ginger if she has.
I don't have ginger.
Have you ever seen ginger?
Yeah.
Go tell your Mama. You should try to see all the vegetables if possible. Then you try to see them. What type of vegetables are they? Because ma'am, these kids, they are hardly going into their kitchens these days.
Okay, ma'am.
I am. I go into my kitchen every single day.
Me too.
Tell now what part of ginger, what is ma'am asking? Name the part of ginger that we used in cooking. Do we use the leaves or roots or what?
Girls,
We
you already
use
know it. Now you
we
cannot
use
take.
this stuff.
Yeah.
We use this stuff inside ginger, like not the like skin, but like the yellow stuff inside.
No,
Or
that is true. That is true. But what is it exactly? Which part of the plant? Ginger.
We can use them.
Stem, right? Yes, it's the underground stem we used in cooking. We didn't use the leaf of the ginger plant. We didn't use the root of the ginger plant. Of course, we use the stem of the ginger plant, right?
Miss, isn't ginger plant already a stem?
Yes, but it has leaves also, no?
Okay.
Right? It has leaves also. Entire plant, right? A plant must have roots. A plant must have stem. It must have leaves, right? So in case of ginger, we actually eat up the stem because ginger is an underground stem, which is the rhizome, right? Problem. This time, just try to remember. Second question, you see, a cactus plants. This I think you'll be able to answer. A cactus plant grows in desert and its leaves are modified into spines. So which part of the cactus performs photosynthesis?
The
the
stem?
stem.
Them.
Yeah, stem.
Yes. That was
Next
easy.
question. Name two plants that have prop roots. Prop roots. This also you'll be able to answer.
Dota. My favorite answer.
No, prop roots. Prop roots.
Dahlia.
No. Are prop
Asparagus.
roots? No. Prop roots. Remember, I showed you a photograph. Branches, roots coming out from the branches and going downwards. A huge.
Climbers.
No. Prop roots. Come on. Prop roots. I showed you a big picture and there is a plant which is 250 years old.
Yeah,
We
it's in India. They're like large kind of trees with branches
Yes.
to support them.
Yes. Those roots are known as prop roots. We have already discussed. Yeah, Sasha, can you say Sasha? Vanya, come on, at least you should be say.
Banyan.
Yeah?
We can say banyan.
It's banyan tree, right? And one more,
Bamboo.
Oh, and sugar
Bamboo.
cane.
bamboo, right?
And
Bamboo, banyan, and
sugar cane.
sugar cane. Yes, those are the answers. Now, next question. Which part of the plants given below is eaten as food? First of all, tell me what is this photograph?
Cauliflower.
Gobi.
Gobi means
And
cauliflower, right?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower and broccoli. Tell me, what do you think we eat? Which part of the plant in this photograph?
Cauliflower, we eat the flower of it.
Yes.
Broccoli.
And broccoli, we eat the whole thing.
But broccoli also we eat the flower only, right?
We eat the flower and the stem.
Yeah, yeah. Some people also, I think, eat, yeah, leaves they don't eat, but some people, I think they take. But basically, flower we take, the stem also we take, right? Yeah. So last question in this. This we have not covered. Let's see if you know it. Cows consume grass. Cows consume grass as their main diet. What can be said about the cow? What type of animal is a cow?
Herbivores.
Herbivorous animals, right? So Japreet and Triti, do you know about herbivorous animals?
No.
Not heard the term, right? Those animals who eat plants are known as herbivorous animals, and those who eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, that is the question.
Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of heard the term
So,
before.
till this portion, our chapter, plant chapter questions were there. Remaining are food chapter questions. We will do it later. Now, let us see the next questions.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay.
Yes.
And ma'am, next question they can do as homework now. List your favorite food item and mention its ingredients.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tell me one question, answer, okay? Why are petals colorful?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The first question that you gave for homework we have done in the school.
Which question?
List five food item and give the ingredients.
Ma'am, they have already done it.
Okay, others can do it. All
Yes.
other kids, you will write at least 5 food items which are your favorite, and then tell which ingredients are used to make it.
Yeah, that is a good question. So you all tell me, suppose we do not see the roots of a plant, right? Because roots of the plant is always under the ground. Tell me, how can we know what type of roots they have without pulling the plant out? Did you get my question? Yes, girls?
wait, can you repeat it?
Yes, I said that the roots of the plants are below the ground, right? So how can we know about what type of roots are present in the plant without pulling the plant out of the soil?
Hello, what's the question?
You have to think, you have to use your mind in this, okay?
Okay.
See, roots of the plant are below the soil.
Uh-huh.
How can we know about the type of root of the plant without pulling the plant out of the soil?
By looking if it has like the vertical venation or
Yes. Yes. Who said the answer?
Bhavya.
Bhavya. Yeah, that's right. Tell me now, types of venation now. Tell me. You understood, Saisha and Vanya, did you understand? We learned, no? By seeing, looking at the venation, we can know the roots of the plant.
So
Right?
there's
Yeah.
parallel venation and reticulate venation.
Right. So parallel venation will have what type of roots?
Parallel venation would have like veins that run like parallel. Like
Yeah.
on the
They will have what type of roots, whether fibrous or tap?
They would have
what was that?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, they would have fibrous roots. Fibrous roots.
Fibrous roots.
Fibrous
Right.
roots.
What about reticulate venation?
They have tap roots.
Okay, very good. So that you know. Yeah, tell me in the entire plant, why the flowers are colorful? In the entire plant, why flowers are colorful?
To attract bugs like
Yes?
bees. To attract bugs like bees so that pollination
Yes.
can happen.
Yes, to attract insects like bees
Or
and
maybe because they have like how bees get the nectar from flowers. Maybe that's why also they have the color.
yes, that day you missed a topic. It was
Mr. Frozen.
Maybe there is some, yes, issue with ma'am's network. Yes, ma'am is there.
yes, yes. So tell me about the type of pollination. What are the types of pollination?
Cross pollination
and
and
self-pollination.
self-pollination.
Cross pollination and self pollination. Right, exactly. And what is cross pollination? Tell me quickly.
Cross pollination is when
In
one
which
flower's
the
pollen is
plant
transferred to another flower's through
attracts
honeybees
insects.
or the wind.
Yes, yes. See, these things we should remember these. Okay. Ma'am, you were saying no for them like written thing.
Yes, ma'am, we can give them some questions. They have 2 holidays now and they can write down the answers and share it with us. We will check it.
Okay.
All the short answer or long answer questions you can give them, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I have one question paper with me. So if
Okay.
I forward it to you, can you give
Okay.
them?
Right, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I'll forward it to you and that they have to do as a written thing. And we are going to check your papers. We are going to check your papers. Okay, all of you. Okay, only then we can know whether you can write long answers or not. May not be too much long, but
Wait a minute, but I can't write.
Ricky, you ask your mama to write it for you. You tell her the answers and she will write it. Don't worry.
okay. So I'll be giving you the question paper and you have to write it. And on Monday, ma'am, Monday we will take it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Before Monday, even whenever you finish it, you share it with us.
Okay, okay. That will be great. So we will check your answers. Okay. So ma'am, that will be Okay for today?
Yes, before they leave, I just want to show them the ginger plant.
Yes, ma'am.
And from next time, we will be showing you here, like either on, or we can share in the group even, like you try to, like if you get them somewhere nearby, then you try to see the plants, or these days we can see them on the net even, na?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes,
So see,
ma'am.
this is the ginger plant. Leaves, we hardly use the leaves, and the bottom part that is under the ground, and the roots, see, you can see the roots also now, but we are using this part. This is the stem.
Wait, are carrots stem?
No, carrot is not a stem, that is root, right? And same is turmeric plant also. If you get some information when we do a topic, then you can also share it. I will make a group for like science class, and then you can share all the information if you get it from the net or from somewhere, from your book or from anywhere. Right? We are here to learn. We are not here to just do the question answers. Right? You should be able to understand when you go somewhere. If you see a plant, you should be able to tell someone, to your parents or somebody, by looking at the leaves. You should be able to tell them now whether what type of roots that plant is having. Okay, then you will enjoy it more.
May somebody join?
Ma'am is taking so much pains for you. Chalo. Thank you, ma'am. Now the girls will shift to room number 1, and the VI kids will stay here. Thank you. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Everyone, bye bye. So, other kids will be with me. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. So, good, good to have you all. Right. So today we are going to start a new chapter, and that new chapter is, we have, yes, coal and petroleum, right? Coal and petroleum we have. So we have Rakib today with us. So at the end of the class, I will be taking the attendance, okay? So coal and petroleum. So I will be reading out the Hindi. मैं आप लोगों के लिए हिंदी वाला ही पोर्शन पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी, ठीक है? क्योंकि उससे हम लोग का क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग अच्छी होगी, और फिर मैं आप लोगों को उसका मीनिंग भी बताते रहूंगी इंग्लिश में क्या क्या वो चीजें हैं.